welcome to Upgrade. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and today we're going to bring the Aiper Smart. Now, this is a steamer mop. You heard me, steamer mop. So, no chemicals required, just water, that's all. And it tells you right in the front, 450 millimeters of water. Came in a nice little box here and easy to handle. Now, this is supposed to be good for hardwood floor and also, any kind of floors. Now, this has a little, it's shaped as a triangle, so it could get every single corner that you need to clean up. So let's take a look at it and let's open it up. Very simple to set up, guys. One clip, that's all you got to do. Attach it to it. No screws required. The actual cable, extra cable that you have, attaches here in the back end, and this is pretty much a rubber grip. That's pretty much what it is. Cable goes in here. Now, a great feature that you need to know is that you open this up right here, and this actually expands to even longer too. In case it's too low for you, you want to expand it to your size. This is how you expand it. Very simple. Once you get the material, you basically look for the cable. You look for the box. There's a little clip in the box. It's a clip. You just slide it in there. So you can always push the button and store it anywhere you want and make it smaller back to what it is. Filling it up. Filling up is here. It's pretty easy. It tells you max, all right? It's labeled max, so you don't really need that cup. You just keep filling it in until you hit the max level. So this is a rubber entrance right here that you actually just fill in the water, and that's pretty much what it does. This is plastic, but these are actually made to grip on the actual pads that go in here. We're going to talk a little bit more about that. So let's bring the pads in, all right? Not one, but they give you two pads, all right? And these are machine wash. You could take them on the machine wash, or if you want, you could just purchase your own, and they do sell extra accessories on their website, or you could find them online too. Many manufacturers have the same angles. They do a triangle shape version of it, of the mop, if you see it. This is cloth. The bottom of it, it's covered with plastic, I believe, in there, but this is machine wash. Please watch the instructions. So what you do when you get it ready, all you got to do is marry these two together, set them up, make sure that no lining of the plastic is visible, make sure it's all nice and flat and neat. And of course, those grips, those teeth are made to grab this kind of material. It's pretty much Velcro. That's what it is. It's a generic Velcro. That's what it is. So these are made of plastic, but you can feel them pretty sharp. And the back of it is more like a gripping of the Velcro. So, all right. So one great thing about this, if you guys notice that I have the triangle in place in here. Now they give you another attachment, and this attachment's for pretty much for carpets, to glide over carpets. That's what it is for, the triangle. It's for gliding over carpets. We're gonna use this one for hardwood, and we're also gonna use it for the actual tile that we have in one of our bathrooms. So we're gonna use this one pretty much. This one in particular I cannot use because I don't have a carpet area. But this is a great option for those that have carpet. It does have that option. So if you have a carpet that your dog has been peeing on us, it's very difficult to get rid of the stain. Steam is always the best way to do it too. So we're gonna record a little bit. This is old soda stain that we're gonna remove, and if you see, it's all hardwood floor, especially here. This is a working area, and of course we have a little piglet that sits here all the time, and this is going to be hard to get out. So we're going to see if the steamer actually works. And of course, we pick up a lot of debris because this guy comes in here and moves around. So this is, we own a dog, and we're going to try to clean as much as we can on our hardwood floor, if you see it before and after. So it's a little messy. And these are the stains we're going to try to remove. And we'll come back and see how well it works. So let's go ahead and begin. You see it? Oh! You gotta push the on button. 20 seconds after pushing the on button. And then you go 20 seconds, the steam starts coming out. And very impressive. Look at that. Right there. You're not supposed to leave it more than 5 minutes, it says, but we're not gonna do it, not even 5 minutes. We're just gonna, look how easy that comes out, guys. And it's just water, no chemicals required. And this is the hardest part we're gonna do right here. Let it sit for a while. Wow. I'm very impressed with it. I'm really impressed with it. Look at that. Deep clean. Moved all the stains out. So one thing I just learned, when you pick it up this way, it turns off completely, and then you crank it back up just by tilting it. You can see the color on it. Look at the color, it's different. It's like brand new. To show you guys, look how clean it is. Super clean. It removed all the big stains that we had. It's still a little wet right here, but it's drying up, and Toby's gonna finish it off. Are you gonna finish it off, Toby? No. Really impressive with it. It removed those old soda stains out of it. Now we're gonna try a different type. We're gonna go with tile, see how well it works with tile. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, we're gonna do a tile in here, and this is a bathroom tile. A little grayish here and there. So we're gonna bring our steamer in here and try to clean up as much as we can from here. And no chemicals needed, only steam. That's all we're gonna do. So let's go ahead and do that. Look at hard to reach parts right here. Look at hard to reach parts right here. Hard to reach areas right here. This is what you do. Really hit the corner. Make sure you go all around. Very simple. Once you're done with it, and if you can see, look how dirty. It picked up all the dirt, steamed out of there. A lot of filth in here. So all you got to do is take it out. Take it out. It's a little wet. And put it in here. Let it wash. All right, it just finished up, so let's see the results. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Clean, ready to use. A little yellow, but you know, it's usable. Dry it up. Don't put it on the dryer. Do not put it on the dryer. It's polyester. Do not put it on the dryer. Just hang it up somewhere. Let it dry. Let it do its steam. It's already pretty much dry, to be honest with you. And just let it do its steam. And that's it. That's all you got to do. So simple. So if you guys like stuff like this, let me know. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and we are out.